Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Update. Then let's tap on Languages and go to System Languages. So here we've got the list of all languages which are currently applied, let's say, and we've got only English. So let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick Greek, so just tap on it. And now your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one or not. So you can either set as default, stay current, or turn it off completely. So I'll pick simply set as default. And now, as you can see, we just got back to the previous list of languages. Right now we've got our new language added here. It is also at the top, which means that it was applied to the whole system, to the whole menu. So if you've got more than one languages added here, like I have got Greek and English, you can quickly change them just by swiping their positions. So let's tap on English and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And here your device will ask you whether you want to change the language or not. And to be honest, I have no idea what does it mean. Probably cancel or change or something like that. So I'll pick this one. And it happened. So we've got English applied, and it is at the top of the list. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on Remove, mark the language which you wish to remove, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove and Delete, I mean the trash bin icon. And we've got only one language applied right here, of course, because I still have got Greek inside this Add Language list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.